What's up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. I just want to make this video from this trip that I just made. Came back from North Dakota. That's right. Uh, as you guys know, you guys follow my channel. Trying to break in as a rig welder. So last week, guys, I got a call from a buddy of mine. He's a rig welder in North Dakota, right? So he said that they were testing welders in North Dakota, and he tested on Thursday and he passed, and that he was waiting for a day to go on orientation. So I was like, damn, that's cool. So he got me a spot. So he said, if you want to come in, I already put your name in, you can come. They said they're testing everybody that shows up too. So, it's a big job. He said, the company bought 9 brand new cross country welding machines, brand new, because they're gonna hire single hand. They're gonna have rig welders, they're gonna have single hand welders, structural welders. It's a big job. All right, it's a gas plant, brand new, almost 2 years job, and everything sounds good. So my mind, I was like, you know what, everything what's going on, as you guys know, everything that's going on in the world right now with the the price of oil going down, and everything else, the viruses and whatnot. I was like, I don't know if I should go or not. I left Saturday morning, got there on Sunday, show up Monday. I show up on Monday, guys, to test. It was me, from Captain MANNY from Arizona. It was another welder all the way from Georgia. So it was me, another guy. It was another welder from Texas, and some other 4 welders. It was, everybody show up to test. So I go to the office, and I took a picture of the new. I took a picture of the new cross-country welders that they bought. Pretty cool. They have also, they're all sitting in there, just asking for somebody to use them. I got excited when I saw that. Like, man, this is gonna be a big job. Everything looked good so far. So I went to the office, guys, and the weld boss just said, I'm sorry, but the job have just been freezed by the owner. The owner just sent us an email to everybody and to the company saying, he's gonna put a hold on hiring. So I was like, holy shit, I was like, are you serious? And said, I'm very sorry, guys, but that's what it is. I just got the email this morning. Other guys, probably would have called you guys. I didn't want you guys to call, all the way, like me from Phoenix, this other guy from Georgia, and from Texas. It was another guy that I saw from Mississippi, from all over. Everybody was showing up for this job, and I just want to make this video for you guys. As you guys know, people that have been watching my channel, I'm trying to break in as a rig welder. It was gonna be my first job. I was gonna be able to either pass the test or fail, but I didn't even get a chance to test, because this kind of situation that happened to me, sometimes it happens, but it's even worse that when you show up and you fail the test, because I didn't get a chance to test. So I think it's even worse for me in this case, because you had to drive all the way to North Dakota from Phoenix, and I decided to come back. I didn't stay over there. I went around other companies, but they were just giving layoffs instead of hiring people. That's what they told me. Everybody was like, check back in 2 or 3 weeks, maybe when the oil goes up. We saw this pipeline, and went in there, asked for to see if they're hiring, and they said, we lay off like 2 welders and a couple people, because this pipeline is only 5 miles. We're almost getting it done, so we're gonna start laying off people. So I'm sorry, but 10 people already came and by, and and ask for a job is kind of tough. The whole town in North Dakota, everywhere you go, there's little jobs going on, like that pipeline that I told you about. So for all the welding people, if you guys are welding, I'm glad for you if you guys have a job, But this video, I want to make this video for you guys to see that this thing, right now is very tough with the oil prices. Like right now, what I'm thinking is that if oil prices they don't go up, probably gonna have to stay home and just keep practicing, keep welding, practicing burning rod, and maybe I'll practice some TIG. This job is gonna be the test was gonna be TIG root and 7018 all the way out, which I did practice some TIG, like I mentioned you guys, because I was cold. So I'll probably buy more argon because I run out of argon, and practice a little bit more, some TIG, keep welding rod. So I just want to make this video for you guys, give you guys an update of what I was doing, what I've been doing. I went all the way to North Dakota for a test, and the job got frozen by the owner. So everybody, even including my friend that tests on Thursday, he passed the test and everything. So he's had to wait. And people like me that went in and show up, we can either wait, or I could have waited there and see if they call me or see if they open up again. But I decided to come back home. And with everything that's going on with the virus and all that, I don't know, kind of tough situation, to be out of state. A lot of jobs are getting shut down right now, guys. So there's no jobs out there, at least that I know. When you're in this kind of industry, guys, you guys probably see or saw in other videos, or people mentioned that you have to have a network of people. You call people, hey, where you at? And my little network, I call everybody, guys. Everybody's out of work. I feel that call said that he had a job lined up in Louisiana. When he got a call saying that the job got canceled, so at least he didn't have to travel all the way to Louisiana, just to show up there and get the bad news. On the bright side, guys, I show up home. I came back home and I ordered some stickers for my welder and for my hood, and they show up. So I'll put them right here. I got like a bunch of them. A lot of people, if you like these stickers, let me know in the comments below if you recognize all of them. Some are from some are from new movies. Some are from some cartoons, some old cartoons, some TV shows, some YouTube shows too. So on the bright side, guys, I got my stickers and I'm back home with my family. So there's always a positive side for everything. And wash your hands, guys. Follow what your mom says about this virus. They always know better than anybody. So try not to get sick, because if you get sick, that will be worse. So that's it for today's video, guys. Stay safe out there. Try not to get sick. Wash your hands and keep welding. And hopefully everything will get better soon. We'll get jobs going and we'll start welding soon. All right. So I'll see you next time. Bye.